first chamber. Looking good so far. This reads just like a micrometer. 100 thousandths per revolution. I got stainless steel valves. So I'll just put this exhaust valve in. This goes on. Hey, happy Sunday. How we doing? So I made this video while my channel was hacked and I didn't have access to it. So let's see what I did. So I got a set of 340 heads here. Done a lot of work to them. I put a full set of guides in them, hardened exhaust seats, and I did a whole bunch of port work. So today's assembly day. So I gotta start off making them flat in my surfacer. I got my CBN cutter in here, so let me get it bolted up and level. Here's the PCD cutter. That's for cutting aluminum. So I got it level in the machine. I made a real light witness mark here in the middle. It's only going to hit on the edges at the start here, but it's level in the center. So let me come down here and make a cut. Okay, I'm going to go for 1.5 thou. This might hit all the way across. Let's see. Okay, so it kind of hit on this end. Kind of level in the middle. A little heavy on this corner. So let me do 1.5 thou up, and I'll do 1 thou on the way back. On the back side. I think I might do 1.5 thou on the way back. So here we go, let me reverse it. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit because this hopefully will be the final pass. Alright, we're coming back at it. Okay, I just cleared the first chamber. Looking good so far. Let's see what it's like in the middle. Alright, we're just coming across the middle. Looks pretty good. How about a little slow motion? Don't get sick. Just come off the end. We got her. You speed the table up to get it out of the way. Shut her down. All right, I got the second head in here. Okay, here we go. Hitting all the way across. Coming across the middle. Just a bunch. And coming off the end. All right, we're coming back at it. at the end. Coming back at it, bow and a half. This should be the final pass. Now let's get some paint on this. Okay, second head. And that's how that's done. Okay, here we go. I got stainless steel valves. Got some comp springs with matching retainers. I'm going to be putting a umbrella seal on the exhaust and a positive seal on the intakes. I've already checked all the stem heights with this. Let me show you how I use it. So I'll just put this exhaust valve in. This goes on. 954. We want a maximum of 70, so we're good. Now I need to measure the installed height with this. This reads just like a micrometer. 100 thousandths per revolution. So it goes onto the valve, retainer, and then just install the keepers. Looks like I'm assembling the head. And then I crank this up. One inch, 770. And we got a little problem. We were looking for 1/650. It's just not going to make it. I'm going to have to get some offset lock. There you go. That's how the high performance stuff goes. It just doesn't always go together. There's usually a hiccup or two along the way. So you'll have to come back on Wednesday and I'll have the final video out on these heads. In the meantime, thanks for coming along on this Sunday, you guys. You guys come back and see me then, all right? And be nice to each other. Bye.